In this video, I'll show you how to make stir-fried green beans with shimeji mushrooms, pork belly, and carrots. Cut a piece of 200 grams of pork belly in thin slices. Marinate the meat with a tablespoon of cooking oil, a tablespoon of salt, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a sprinkle of chili powder. Cut up a large peeled carrot in thick slices like this. Place it down on the flat side and cut it in thin slices. Grab a handful of green beans and cut the ends off. Turn it around and push the ends against the side of the knife and cut the other ends off too. Lastly, cut the beans in half. I used about 500 grams of green beans and 100 grams of carrots. Heat up a pan with a little bit of oil and 1 cut up piece of garlic. Add the marinated pork. When they are browned, you can add the vegetables. Add a tablespoon of salt to season the vegetables. Cover the pan with the lid and let it cook for a few minutes. Move the vegetables around so that they can get evenly cooked. If there isn't enough liquid in the pan, add a little bit more water. Cover the pan with a lid and let it cook for a few minutes again. Near the end, add the shimeji mushrooms. Lastly, add a tablespoon of oyster sauce. Pick up a green bean to determine if the green beans are cooked and if it needs more seasoning.